Updating your legal name with VantageSouth Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name changes processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new name. Step 2. Contact customer service. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Obtain and fill out the name change form provided by the bank. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches your identification documents. This form may be available online or at the bank branch. Step 4. Submit your documents. Submit the completed name change form along with your supporting documents to the bank. This can often be done in person at a branch or through secure online channels, depending on the bank's policies. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with the bank to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. Keep an eye on your account statements and communications to ensure everything reflects your new legal name. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with VantageSouth Bank. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to ask bank representatives for assistance.